Morning, everybody. Well, it's morning here anyway. Just thought I would try and have a little bit of consistency and do another vlog, talking head, whatever you want to call it, from my lovely messy office. It's still messy. This shelf is. I can't get time to do it at the moment. But yeah, it's been a very busy week, but I thought I'd at least spend a few minutes saying hi. It kind of sort of going through my head lately of tools and sort of items, discoveries, all that kind of stuff. I think a lot of them are kind of, not all of them, but a lot of them are probably built from necessity and or need or want. For example, there is and this is going to today. This is not just, well, I'm not just talking about kind of technology today, but going back years ago, things like obviously penicillin was research and discovered for necessity, can't even speak, to cure bacteria and infections and stuff like that. But my need is not necessarily at that level, but I need an app for my phone, obviously, which we can carry around because that's the best way for doing a sort of a communications point card system. Now there are apps you can get on the apps already that do similar things, but nothing exactly what I need. I need something very specific, and maybe I'm not the only person who needs it very specific, but no one's, as far as I can see at the moment, ever developed this. So I have a need for something, so that means that my brain has been kind of thinking this week, and I think I'm going to just write this very simple app myself using C# and it's MAUI or MAUI. It's I'm looking on the screen next to go up. It's Microsoft, or at least you can get through the Microsoft.NET library. I presume it's a .NET library, but regardless of that, it's an app creation add-on to C# that allows you to build Android, iOS, I believe, Windows and Mac apps all in one big bundle. So yeah, I think that I'm going to start looking and getting an understanding of that. And what I may do is I may record a few videos of my code when I'm creating it, just kind of a bit of a kind of a different view of what I normally do. My hair's sticking up because I'm just chatting on the shower. So yeah, I think that's something I might actually introduce going forward into a different kind of something different from what because I've often talked about technology and code. I don't think I may have done some code videos in the past, but never anything that's like specifically creating something and something that like this, which maybe people will be interested in kind of following along and looking at how you create a mobile app. It'd be a very simple mobile app, but a mobile app using .NET, C#, and this library. App UI, or whatever they call it. It's .NET Multiplatform App UI. That's what they've called it. So basically, I created the default framework app on my desktop. So the default one, and it builds like there's 4 folders. I believe there's one for like Android, one for iOS, one for Windows, and one for Mac. So it is a multi-platform. They are separate code trees. So that kind of means that if you're building a multi-platform, unlike something where I've used in the past, I used play with Dart, where you build it, you kind of do all of them in that one sort of project. With this, it looks like you have to kind of duplicate the code and make the changes where you need to, which would be a bit of a shame because it would have been nice to kind of have it so you could have just built the one bit of code and then cross compile it. But needs wants. I'll be using Android. Maybe I'll add it into iOS if it's not that much difference. I don't necessarily need the Windows and the Mac. I need something that's mobile. So we have Android. I use Android, and most of my family use iOS and iPhone. So maybe on both. But yeah, so that's something that I thought I'd kind of talk about, having a theme in this video rather than just waffle on like I normally do. But yeah, I think that moving forward, you may see some videos come up with that, as well as my waffle videos like this. Potentially, hopefully, I'm going to try and do one every Wednesday, at least one of these waffle ones. But yeah, that's it really. That's this is a lot of this is recording me. I could see in the future, seeing what I was thinking and what I was doing. So it'd be interesting to look back on this in a year's time. Will I have done this app? Will I have finished it? I hope so, because it's something I need. But we'll see. Right, I'm going to go. I'm going to carry on with doing some proper work now. So I'll speak to you all again soon. Bye.